Hey guys, welcome! Today I want to introduce you to a very special person. He's a colleague of mine. His name is Tjeu. He's a specialist when it comes to working behind a desk, so he will help you while you are working at home. Enjoy!
Welcome to the Brightlands workout video. I am Tjeu and I'm going to lead you through a series of exercises for which you don't have to leave your desk, but will revitalize yourself for your next meeting. Let's start immediately. Okay, we're getting ready for exercising. So we want to get that heart rate up and we want to have a muscle stretch for it. We're going to start in 5 seconds. And do it along with me. We're going to start marching in place. And we're going to turn up the pace so that it more looks like maybe you want to run away from work. You can't, but you can still exercise. So go on and faster. Some more seconds. Okay, now stretch your legs. So pull your toes through yourself and make your leg long. One side and the other. Reach for your toe. Makes it even more a stretchy feeling. And alternate. Make it dynamic. You want your muscles more loose for the next round. Okay, that's it for your legs. Now next one. Clap your arms above your head. Like jumping jacks without jumping. And if you're really happy, make a clap. Maybe there's some nice office music on. You can clap along. But go on. Feel a bit more pumped up? Let's do some more. And now some stretches for the arm. Arm straight, tangle in, and stretch your shoulder. And again, dynamically. So take your left one as well. Arms above your head, and lean to the left, and to the right. We're going on with arm circles in front of us. Looks stupid, I know, but for your heart rate it's good. And you're getting your muscles ready. In your arm, shoulder, all day long, static postures, and now some movement in. So this is a hard one to start with. And now turn your chair, we're going to do some real good stretching for our whole body. So reach for your toes again and make yourself tall. And to your toes again and tall. Shrug your shoulders a bit, make them loose. And that's it for the warm-up. Are you guys a bit warm and detached from work? So am I. We're now going to focus a bit more on our muscles. Let's get on. Okay, it's time to do another superset. We're going to do 3 different exercises and we're going to do them 3 times each. We're going to focus on 3 core muscle groups of our body. We're going to start in 2 seconds with dips. So move your chair from your desk, down and up. This is good for your upper arms and especially the triceps. So come on. We do every exercise 30 seconds. So 5 more. Come on. And in between we have 15 seconds of rest. So get a good deep breath, have a seat, relax a bit, and in 3, 2, 1, we're going to start with squats. So slightly touch your chair and get up, and touch and up. So make sure you're standing straight, keep your back straight while getting down and explosively up. Okay, and another bit of rest. In those 15 seconds, get your heavy books out and prepare for the next exercise. Good for the muscles in between your shoulder blades. So bend forward and make a row with which you squeeze your shoulder blades together. And this seems easy, but it's quite a tricky exercise. And one more. That was it for the first round. Books back again, and we're going to work on our triceps. So the dips. I first did it with legs straight forward, like this. And this is the most advanced version. But if you want it slightly more easy, you can't handle it if you feel those triceps burning. Place your feet somewhat more towards you. Still hard, but go on. And rest. For the squats, also a trick. To make it harder, we're going to do it on a quicker pace. So, we're not going to do this anymore. No, turn up the pace, come on. And every time, make yourself tall. Come on, 15 explosive seconds. Some more reps. Bit of rest. Okay, here we go again. Bend forward. Make sure to keep your under legs straight so they stay right above your foot, and then row, and then you feel it high in your back. And rest again. So, on to the last round. And now we're going to give it our all to really feel our muscles burning and feel that we made an effort. So for the dips, go for the advanced version if you dare. And give it some good explosive pushes. Come on. You can do this. Only 10 more seconds. Three, two, one. And one extra. Yes. Last round of squats. So still high pace. Come on. Deep in and deep out. And we're ready. Here we go. You can make this slightly heavier by already getting your books, and then you're about 2 kilos heavier, which you every time have to push with you. Extra rest, and we're going on. The last exercise, of course, you can make heavier by adding more books and make slightly lighter by swapping your book for only 1 water bottle or so. But I think this is my level. So we're going on. Last 10 seconds. This superstar. Come on. And one more. That was it. 3 exercises for a full body and great to train your muscles. We've been active, but now it's time to focus again and get ready for work. So let me guide you through this relaxing cool down. Okay, we have our muscles pumped, but now it's time to get back to work. And we're going to prepare you for this with this cool down. We're going to work on the core and a bit of stretching and resting. So we start with the core. Move your feet up from the ground. Don't sit with your back in the chair, but keep this position for 30 seconds and keep on breathing slowly. So deep in and out. And now you have to tense your core muscles. So focus on that one. In and out. Now for the stretching, we're going to hold the position. So we do the same exercise as we did before, but we now hold this longer. It's no longer dynamic, it's more static stretching. And after 15 seconds you switch onto this one. Next one, for the core, we're going to make a bit harder. So you start in the same position, but you're going to alternately march in place without touching the ground. Why is this important? As we sit in static postures the whole day, we need a strong core. It will reduce the risk for musculoskeletal disorders. So really important, this one to top off with. Let's go. Keep your core muscles tense again. Okay, more stretching. Same as we did before. So now long and hold on to your toes. And every time you exhale, try to get a bit lower. Little longer, you feel tense in the back of your leg. And going on to the last one from a core. Even more advanced than we did. So we're going to march and now turn your elbow to the opposite side. So go on and keep your core stable. Some more. Okay, now after stretching, getting it a bit loose, you have to go to your keyboard again. So turn your wrists and out and in and out. And embrace yourself and embrace yourself. And big and embrace. And embrace that you feel rested and ready to go back to work. You did great. I hope you feel vital and energized to get back to work. If you have any questions or suggestions for challenging exercises, feel free to contact us. Feel free to ask for a counsel at Physio Bastiaans. But for now, stay healthy, stay vital and stay tuned.
Always alone.